The entitlement of these people, the Ferriters, is amazing. It is blowing my mind. I'm so angry. I could spit. Oh, I wanna spit. I'm not gonna spit, but hang on a second. If you're not familiar with this case, no worries. I've got a whole playlist on it. Go back and watch it. There's a lot. It's the wife has yet to court. She's actually got a motion the she actually has a motions hearing on December 6th. So, okay. So I wake up and I see this thing that says Tim Ferritter has job waiting on him if he's released on bond. Are they trying to speed the process? I don't know. I don't know. So here's here's where I'm confused about all of this whole thing because there's a letter here. They filed what the hell did they do? Okay, here it is. So there's a letter here from the United Country Real Estate Dream Outdoors Properties on November 1st of 2023 to Tim Ferritter. Dear Timmy, thank you for your time to interview with us. We are confident you can make an important contribution to our company, blah, blah, blah. And we would like for you to join us as an employee in the capacity of sales assistant based out of Jupiter, Florida office. Why would you want him in your company? Your total compensation will be determined, blah, 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 blah. You will be responsible for managing sales administration tasks on a weekly basis. Oh, telemarketing calls, distributing marketing material. So they're gonna put him like they want to put him front and center. Is, do they want him to be front and center of their company, the face of their company? We're excited about having you join Dream Outdoors Properties, blah, blah, blah. Okay, that's the first one. And then this one supposedly comes from Mazda of Palm Beach. But there's a twist on this, so don't go nowhere. Mazda of Palm Beach is happy to offer a position in our dealership to Ferritter upon his release on bond. Mr. Ferritter will assume a sales position at the dealership. Do you really think that you would want him selling your cars? I don't care. Mr. Ferritter has made plans for his employment upon his release so he can provide for his family. Well, hasn't all the children and all of them the children been taken away. So what you guys, he plans to work for Dream Outdoors Properties as a sales assistant in Jupiter. Should that job not work out, he can also go over to the Palm Beach. Well, he's so entitled that he might think that he has tons of options. Dude, homeboy, you have been convicted. You've been convicted. All right, well, hang on. Let's go to this other one. So that was the first piece that came out, right? So then I see another piece where our most hated defense attorney comes up. So listen to this, you guys.
We would not have submitted a letter, obviously, to the court, but for believing in good faith that there was a job offer. I know that there were a number of comments, and this was in the letter by the lawyer that we actually received last evening about how Mazda's business has been affected by this. So we withdrew it immediately upon learning that there were any issues, and we are still investigating what happened because we also learned about this last evening. So we issued a notice immediately withdrawing what we submitted as to the Mazda job offer, and we are now investigating what happened.
Priya, where did that offer letter come from?
I cannot give you that answer because it was provided to us by, or it was provided to the appellate attorney by a number of friends and family. So when even in my character reference letters, we just receive a number of them. So I don't have that exact answer for you because I was not the one who got the letter in my hand.
Okay, and so did the appellate attorney co-author that motion with you? I saw there was another attorney's name on that motion. Is that who the,
Yes, he's
okay,
primarily handling, he's
Oh,
an
I hate
excellent
her.
attorney. He's handling the appellate bond motion and the appeal.
okay.
You know why I don't like her, you guys? She reminds me of somebody that I know that I really dislike. That it was a total backstabber.
So is it your position that you had no idea that this letter was a fraud?
It's the truth that I had no idea that there was no job offer from Mazda.
Huh. All right, so let me read to you guys what it said in that article about that, because really. So one day after it was revealed that a court submitted letter extending a job offer to Tim Ferriter, it was all a forgery. His defense attorney maintained that she didn't know the document was fabricated. So who fabricated it, Tracy? I don't know. We would not have submitted a letter, obviously, to the court before believing in good faith that there was a offer. Well, we all know your client is sketchy. Um, so her and the appellate attorney filed a motion last week asking the court judge to grant their client's release from jail on bond pending the outcome of an appeal of his conviction and prison sentence. Pending the outcome of an appeal. I don't think the judge is gonna do you guys, well, is this goes to a different judge, so never mind. Ferriter 48 was convicted last month on charges of child abuse, we know that. He got a slap on his wrist, 5 years in prison. And there's pictures of the letters and all that, but anyway. Oh, here's the letter. Here, let me show y'all this. I'm sorry, this is impromptu, you guys. I really apologize. Okay, screen share. I saw this morning, it made me so angry, I had to get on here and talk to y'all about it. I'm so sorry that oh, come on. Dad blasted. Okay, so it says that this firm is counsel to Palm Beach Autoplex LLC, DBA Mazda of Palm Beach. Due to WPTV's coverage, it has come to my client's attention that in support of Mr. Timothy Ferrer's November 20th motion for release on bond pending appeal, that certain documentation purporting to an offer of an employment from Mazda of Palm Beach has been submitted to the circuit court. Please be advised that such document is a complete and unequivocal forgery. At no time has Mr. Ferriter applied to Mazda of Palm Beach, let alone been given an offer of employment at the dealership. Moreover, the letterhead appeared on the document is incorrect as it is nothing more than a copy and paste of a website graphic. Boom. All right. Well, anyway, anybody that would want to offer this douche a flipping job is just skeezy, in my opinion. Okay, I think I've released my anger now. You want to know more on this case, you guys? Go back in, check out the playlist. It's horrible. It's absolutely horrible. Thanks for being here with me, you guys, and I'll talk to you soon.